Hi, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and today we're gonna take a photo of my Sony LEN50 f1.8, and we're gonna give this like a drama shot. We got this softbox right here, and we got another flash on this side. On this side with a diffuser on it, and setting for that flash, I'm gonna show it to you, is 1/28 of a second. Zoom all the way in to 24. Manual. On this one, I'm not gonna be able to show you here on that one how it is because it's inside the flash box. I mean the softbox. Over here, you can see on the camera we got a trigger right here, and the one that we are doing right there is shooting a 1/32 of power, and you can see right here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to, but we're shooting manual. We're shooting 2/50 of a second, f10, ISO 80, and let's shoot. We also be using a sorry. For the setting, you can see I got the tripod right there, and this is a little table with a glass so you can give a little reflection, and we also using the remote control to trigger the camera, and you can see. Now let's look at that picture, and you can see straight out of the camera how that looks. Beautiful. I'm gonna put it and post it in there. This is something simple and easy you can do. All you need is two flashes and a trigger right here. What I'm shooting this camera is with my Sony Mark II. I got the 50, another 50, but this is the crap version of 51.8. And yeah, so you keep trying and shooting different shot, but the result is the same once you get it nailed down the right shot. So let's get another one. This time we're gonna give it another shot. This time we're gonna bring the ISO a little bit up. That's from 80. We're gonna bring it to 100. Leave it there. We keep the same shutter speed, 1/250 of a second, f8. We keep that. Now we give it a self-timing. So take the flash. Here you go, and there you go. That's another one. Very nice highlight here. You can see a lot of detail. The background stays dark. That's what I was going for. So please take care. You subscribe, leave your comment. Until next time, I'm your host DV from DV Photography.